Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a really cool thing. It's like giving brains to computers. These computers can learn and solve problems, just like you and me, but with wires and circuits. AI is changing the world in many ways. It's everywhere, from our phones to our cars. AI learns from the information we give it. It uses this information to make decisions. This helps AI do things that usually need human intelligence. Things like understanding language, recognizing faces, and even driving cars. Imagine a world where machines can understand you. They can help you with your daily tasks. This is the power of AI, and it's just the beginning. AI is not science fiction anymore. It's a reality that's transforming our world in ways we never imagined. It's already part of our lives, seamlessly integrated into our daily routines. Ever wondered how your phone predicts your next word? That's AI working behind the scenes, making your typing experience smoother. How about those cool personalized recommendations you see online? AI again? It's like having a personal shopper who knows your preferences. From healthcare to finance, AI is making its mark, revolutionizing industries and enhancing our capabilities. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases earlier, potentially saving lives with its advanced analysis. It analyzes medical images with incredible accuracy, providing insights that were once impossible. In finance, AI powers fraud detection systems, safeguarding our money and transactions. It helps manage investments in a smart and efficient way, optimizing returns and minimizing risks. AI is even changing the way we shop and entertain ourselves, creating immersive and personalized experiences. Think about those virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. They're powered by AI, making our lives more convenient. They answer your questions and play your favorite music on demand, acting like a personal DJ and assistant. And let's not forget about the personalized recommendations on streaming platforms like Netflix. AI curates content just for you. AI knows your taste better than you sometimes, suggesting shows and movies you'll love. The applications of AI are practically limitless, touching every aspect of our lives and industries. It's like having a helpful assistant in every aspect of our lives, making things easier, smarter, and more efficient. Let's talk about some AI superstars. ChatGPT and DALL-E. These two groundbreaking technologies are making waves in the world of artificial intelligence. Developed by OpenAI, these tools are revolutionizing how we interact with technology. They are pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. ChatGPT is a language model. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It can write stories, poems, and even code like a human. Imagine having a conversation with an AI that can respond with such creativity and coherence. DALL-E is an artist in the AI world. It takes text descriptions and turns them into visual masterpieces. You give it a text description, and it creates amazing, unique images. The possibilities are endless with what DALL-E can visualize. A cat wearing a top hat riding a unicorn? DALL-E can paint that. It brings imagination to life in ways we never thought possible. These tools are not just cool party tricks. They represent a significant leap forward in AI capabilities. They have the potential to change how we create and consume content. From writing to art, the creative process is being transformed. Imagine a world where writing a book or composing a symphony is as easy as talking to ChatGPT. The future of creativity is here, or a world where creating stunning visuals is as simple as describing your vision to DALL-E. The artistic possibilities are limitless. That's the future these AI superstars are painting for us. A future where technology and creativity merge seamlessly. Section 4. AI in our future. The future of AI is incredibly exciting. We are on the brink of a technological revolution that will transform our lives in ways we can only imagine. As AI technology develops, it will become even more integrated into our daily routines. From smart homes to personal assistants, AI will be everywhere. Imagine a world where self-driving cars are the norm. These vehicles will not only drive us around but also communicate with each other to ensure safety. No more traffic jams or parking nightmares. AI will optimize traffic flow and manage parking efficiently. AI-powered homes will learn our preferences and adjust lighting, temperature, and even our music playlists automatically. Our living spaces will become more comfortable and personalized. In healthcare, robots might assist surgeons with complex procedures, making surgery safer and more efficient. This could lead to faster recovery times and better outcomes for patients. But with great power comes great responsibility. We must be vigilant about the ethical implications of AI. As we embrace AI, it's important to address ethical concerns. we need to establish guidelines to ensure AI is used responsibly. We need to ensure that AI is used for good and benefits all of humanity. This means making AI accessible and fair for everyone. It's a collective effort that requires collaboration between governments, researchers, and the public. Everyone has a role to play in shaping the future of AI. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a canvas that we can paint with our innovations and values. It's up to us to shape it responsibly and ethically. Together we can create a future where AI enhances our lives and respects our values. Section 5. Living with AI. AI is already changing our world in amazing ways. It helps us in our daily lives and opens up incredible possibilities for the future. From AI-powered assistants to self-driving cars, the future is full of potential. As we embrace AI, it's important to remember that it is a tool. Like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's our responsibility to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically and responsibly. The AI revolution is here. Let's work together to ensure it's a revolution that benefits all of humanity. The future is full of possibilities, and with AI, the sky's the limit.